This video provides a quick overview of the ITSM mobile experience and demonstrates installing ITSM Mobile Agent in your instance and accessing the Agent mobile app. You can skip to any of these topics from the YouTube description for this video. Let's take a quick look at the features of the ITSM mobile experience. As an ITSM agent, you can access incidents assigned to you, your change and catalog tasks, as well as change and request approvals. You can provide updates, work notes, or comments. You can also check your upcoming shifts and the on-call schedule, as well as the status of your time-off requests. As a group manager, you can assign incidents, take action on time-off requests, review scheduling gaps, and view dashboards with performance metrics, providing insight into the work your group is managing. As an agent or manager, you can access and review active and approved major incidents, and start, join, and end conference calls for current major incidents. You can also review the performance metrics dashboard as well as time series graphs to see the number of major incidents opened over time. Now let's see how to install and access the app. To activate the application in your instance, your administrator installs the ITSM Mobile Agent plugin from the ServiceNow store. If you're an employee and you need to access the app, all you need to do is download the ServiceNow Agent mobile app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, open the app and add your instance, and log in. In our next video, we'll show you how agents can manage their workload in the Agent mobile app. For more information, see our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.